Okay, so today we're going to be practicing our name again. You're going to need your packet. Open to the 3rd page. And mine says Miss Agnetek. Yours is going to say your name. So I'm actually going to do this one with you today. So the first part at the top, we are just tracing. And remember, we are working on having the first letter capital and then the rest of them lowercase. So I'm tracing Miss Agnetek. And then over here in this box, it says I can draw a picture of myself. So I'm gonna think about what I look like. I know that I have a head. I'm just gonna draw my head today. I have brown hair, and my hair is a little bit long. I have brown eyes. I'm just gonna make my nose brown. I'm gonna make my mouth. I have a little bit of room for my neck. And then today I'm actually wearing a green shirt. Like this. So there I am. So you can draw a picture of yourself there. Think about what color hair you have. Think about what color eyes you have. And then over here it says, I can color each letter. So remember, when we talk about coloring in letters, just like we do in our Saint book, we're not scribbling on top of them. We're coloring the section in. Okay, so I'm gonna make mine really colorful. Probably a rainbow, because I love rainbows. Now my name, Miss Agnetek, has a lot of letters. Your name probably doesn't have as many as me. But Charlotte and Benjamin, we know that Charlotte has 9 and Benjamin has 8. They have the most letters. And then we had Nicholas, Daniela, Dominic, and Adeline. They all had 7 letters. Olivia, Braden, and Ashley. So we have 2 Olivias in TK. Olivia's, Braden, and Ashley had 6 letters in their name. Elias, Clara, Elise, and Avery all had 5 letters in their name. Jack, Zoe, Cora, and Whit all have 4 letters in their name. And Mia, all by herself, she just has 3. She has the shortest name in TK. Mia, M-I-A. So Mia has less things to color on her page because she has the smallest amount of letters. Or the least amount of letters, you can say. So see how I'm coloring them in and I can still tell that it's a letter? It's not being scribbled on top of it. That's what we want to be doing. So there, we colored it in. This one says I can trace it. So we're tracing again using dotted lines. You can use a marker or a pencil. Miss Agnetek. But you're writing your name. And then the very bottom, you're writing your name by yourself. Remember, try your best to make it look just like this. The first letter is capital, the rest of them are lowercase. So I'm gonna do a capital M for Miss, and then a capital E for Agnetek, and the rest of them are lowercase. And then, after you're done with this, you can put it to the side, and we're actually gonna use this today. This is gonna be our name puzzle. So notice, it's a green paper, and there are red lines. We're gonna use scissors, so get your scissors. Press pause if you need to go get your scissors. And we're gonna cut on the red lines really carefully, because we're gonna make a puzzle. Now, my puzzle does not say Miss Agnetek. My puzzle says, do you remember the name my mommy and daddy gave me when I was a baby? Erica. So, I'm gonna mix it all up, And then I'm gonna try to put it in order. I know that my letter E goes first. If I spell my name, I can figure it out. E, R, I, C, A. It's gonna be really tricky for you to do. I mean, really easy for you to do. Not very tricky is what I meant for you to do. See if you can give your puzzle to your older brother or sister for them to do. See if you can give your puzzle to your mommy or daddy for them to do. Now the order of our letters matter, right? If I tried to put it in a silly order, notice it doesn't fit, right? It has to be in the right order, just like when you write your name, it always should be in the same order. That's how you spell your name. So you can give your puzzle to somebody else to see if somebody else can figure your puzzle out.